Wow, I can't wait to submit my picture to the art contest.
Yeah, this is going to be great.
Hey, Devin, aren't those your friends over there?
Yeah.
Why don't you go say hi to them?
Okay. Hi, Carly, Adriana, and Olivia.
Hi, Devin.
What are you guys doing? We're coloring for the art contest. An art contest? What do you mean? Harding School got a book vending machine. What? A book vending machine? Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, we earn gold coins and get to pick out a book. Will there be books about superheroes? Yeah! Will there be books about princesses?
Oh, but of course.
Or what about pirates?
Anything you imagine.
When's the due date? August 21st.
Attention Harding students, submit your artwork by August 21st to be in the running to have your artwork featured on the brand new Harding Elementary book vending machine. Winners will be announced during the first week of school. Good luck!